What's going on, guys? Hope y'all doing good. I know I should be making more videos, posting more stuff. Anyway, I picked up this 84 Cutlass Supreme, and somebody had busted off the boat windows on both sides, passenger driver side. They busted off, and this was a bond find. And God, man, I try to clean this thing up as much as I can. It stinks, man. It stinks. It's really bad. Man, that rat stuff is really high. But anyway, I picked these glass up from, I think it was from an 84 Monte Carlo. And I did some research that said the Monte, pretty much the side windows, the back work. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to put this in here. And again, like everything else was busted. So I'm hoping to get this glass, and that's it. I know I should be doing more videos on a regular basis, and I'm sorry for that. I just get carried away sometimes with building these bikes and everything else. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm thinking you gotta go down and past that stuff. And so when I picked this up, it came off. So what I'm gonna do is, you've got like 3 bolts just to hold the window in place, and then you got that support. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just trying to get that in here, and these little slots has got one here, and then you got the space in the back here to get it in. And this came off of manual setup. Oh shoot. It was a manual setup. Let me try to get it up a little bit. You want to try to get it up right where it lines up in here. And I know the camera, I'm sorry guys, I'm trying my best. Yeah, I'm not tech savvy with this cameras and all this stuff, but so it's it came off manual setup. And this cutty has got all power options on this thing. It's a really nice car. Like I said, it was sitting for a while, and the old boy that I got it from, he said it was vandalized on the sat. And what the deal was, I traded in my crew cab, my 87 crew cab long bed, and sometimes, I don't know, I'm kind of kicking myself, but I might buy it back, but whatever. So what you want to do now, you got 2 more holes that lines up here, which I got, and it's sitting in there, and that's where you got the spacing right here. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'll try to get it in there. So and then now I'll get everything. I'm just gonna put everything in loose here for now, because there's another one. Oh shoot, gotta get your magnet here now. Okay, we'll grab that in a minute, but let me show y'all real quick. So you got this one right here, where it goes up in there, and then you got these 2 right up in here for the windows, and then you got the stopper that goes over here. So this stopper goes in up in here like this, and then it stops it at this point right in here. So this goes like that, and then it stops right here. So it's like I said, it's coming along pretty good. And so once we get that going, and I'm sorry I try to not make these videos too long when I'm doing them, because I'm the one person I hate those long videos. And you know, when you putting these on, I don't know, you can do whatever. I'm not a mechanic. I just like whatever. I try not to use any power tools, putting them on in case I don't crack the glass or anything. Like over tightening them, because you know some of those air ratchets, they put out a lot of torque in them. So oh shit, that hurt. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my shop and try to blow it down this way. So I don't know where it dropped, but yeah. So we'll give it a shot here in a minute. You know, I thought this was gonna be really super complicated, but honestly, wasn't too sure, because you know, when I got the car, it was all busted up and everything else, so I wasn't too sure what was missing and what wasn't missing. But it's not too bad actually. And again, we just gonna make sure. I know a lot of stuff is missing from the front. I'm not sure where that goes, but there's another. I gotta double check, but let's give it a shot. See. Oh snap! Sweet. Oh yes, that's what I'm. Golly, but what about when I gotta put these in? Oh man, I got the screws in the back here for this. When I put it on the molding here, it's got the screws right in here. Maybe I'll be able to get it in. I don't know. I'm hoping. But wow, we've got success. The window is working, so that's great. So I still gotta check a couple more things. So that's the stopper, it hits it right there. Oh man. Okay. Wow. Man. Isn't that a thing of beauty? I think I gotta get some switches though. That's a thing of beauty right there. Yes, sir. But you guys stay tuned, man, and let me know if you guys got any questions in regards to how this goes. Again, this is the first time I'm doing, and it's a Monty, so I guess I should close the door. Let's just close the door and see how it fits up in here. So what is this? So yeah. Once I get all the seals and everything put together, I think that's gonna work, man. It's a Monty glass, but I think it's gonna work. Might have to do some adjustment. Everything is loose right now with the side windows and all that stuff. So, but I think that's it. You guys stay tuned, man, and keep doing what you do, man. You know, don't let your project get you down or whatever. Remember, one panel at a time, one glass at a time, one bolt. You know, sometimes we get discouraged with stuff, but don't, man. Just keep doing what you're doing, and yeah, that's just keep building, man. That's all I can say. You guys stay blessed, stay safe, and keep doing what you're doing.